Hey guys, today is an Australian day and it's a public holiday, so I thought I'm gonna take you with me and vlog today. So I think I'm gonna go to the Westfield, to the shopping center, and I can show you what it looks like and show you some shops and some prices. So let's do that. So I'm in the car ready to drive to the shopping center. The day isn't that warm today, it's only 26 degrees, so not a beach weather, but it's nice and refreshing, and yeah, perfect weather for some shopping. As expected, parking was so busy today. I think it's gonna be a lot of people in our shop, so let's see. Wow, I really wanted a bottle for the water, and I just bumped into them. How lucky. I like this one. They are so expensive. That looks delicious. I think I'm gonna get some under there. I never knew I quite like this shop. It's really let's check the prices. I'm not a fan of this one at all. Anyways, $100. That's interesting. It's not bad, I have something similar actually. $70 and nice. So let's go and see what we can find for a nice snack. Not very healthy. So hungry now. I think I'm gonna try the sushi train. Let's check how it looks. Well, let's do this.
So proud of it. When you shop,
Like something that was my fault.
You're not that.
Fine, thanks.
Yeah, I do see psychologically.
I don't know. That's even worse than the situation I was in.
Smell. Strong. Oh, that's nice. That's the cushion for meditation, I think. It's an Indian shop. Hey guys, back in my car. Didn't end up going to too many shops because I didn't park. I parked like not somewhere I usually park, so I was afraid to go far away, so I won't be able to find my car anymore. Anyway, just got some underwear, but that was what I really needed, and that's my favorite thing. I got that in the Indian shop. I just saw it and I was like, I have to have it. It just looks so nice. It was only 10 bucks. Cheap one. And what else? Oh, I got a magazine, women's magazine, don't remember which one, and I had such a nice lunch. It was just a sushi train. I never been there before, and I'm so picky with food, and it was just so nice that I like every meal, that every little plate that I had, I liked it, which really doesn't happen often to me, that I go somewhere and I like everything I have. And it was actually funny, the guy who was cooking in the middle, he saw that I was taking like photos and videos of my food, and I don't know, maybe he thought I'm a food blogger or something, and then he gave me a complimentary plate of salmon sashimi. And sashimi are like the most expensive thing on the menu that they have, and it was just so nice. It had some marinated onion, and I'm not even a fan of onion, but they were just so finely sliced and marinated. Oh yeah, it was so nice, and I was starving, and I got some sweets that I'm taking home, and I'm gonna go home and have a nice tea with some sweets and read my magazine. So I'm looking forward to that. Well, it's an Australian day. I don't know if I will end up doing something exciting tonight, but we'll see. I'll keep you updated. So I'll see you at home.
So you played it cool and I was scared to let it go. I knew I needed you, but I never showed. But I wanna stay with you until we're alone.
Hi guys, I'm back at the home, and I just made myself some tea, and I'm gonna have it this thing that I got at the shop. And I also got the magazine just because I saw that actress on the cover and I just think she's gorgeous. So I'm just gonna read that. And I got some lemongrass sticks that you're supposed to burn, and they just make your house smell nice, and I got them in that Indian shop that I showed you. I don't have the special holder for them, so I'm just gonna make a mess and then clean it. So I'm just going to enjoy that now, and I'm not sure what I'm gonna do later. I may head out for a little bit, and I'll take you with me. See ya. This pastry is so nice, and the lunch was also so nice. So if you go to Westfield for shopping, make sure you check out that Japanese sushi train. It's next to Coles on one of the ground levels, and then next to it there's that pastry stand with lots of pastries and things. Yeah, it's just so nice. Hey, ended up staying at home tonight. The weather isn't that nice. It started raining, and I just decided to stay at home and do some reading and watch a movie and have some snacks. Sorry guys, I promise we will go out next time and do something exciting, but today it is what it is, and see you in the next video.